Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the Google Drive app and confirming you're signed into the correct account. This ensures your upload and sharing permissions match. Once done, navigate to the folder where the file lives or tap the plus button to upload new content from files or photos. Make sure the item finishes uploading before you continue, because an incomplete upload can produce a broken link. Now that the item is visible in Drive, you're ready to create the shareable link. Tap the three dots beside the file and choose Share or Manage Access to reveal link options. This step controls who can open or edit the file. Make sure to change the permission level depending on whether recipients should view, comment, or edit. If you want broad access, switch link visibility to anyone with the link. If you need control, keep it restricted and add specific emails. Once permissions are set, copy the link from the dialog so it's ready to paste into Messages or Apps. Paste the copied link into your chosen app, Mail, Messages, Slack, or any chat, and send a quick test to yourself or a colleague to confirm access. If the recipient reports an access error, return to Manage Access and confirm the permission setting and that you used the correct account. Restricted links require specific email addresses. If issues persist, sign out and back in or reinstall the Drive app to refresh tokens. Finally, remember you can revoke or change access anytime from the same Manage Access menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.